Welcome back, everybody. It is the spring break celebration day. I just made that up. We just started calling it that because it's Saturday. Well, actually Monday may be considered the first day, but we're calling it today, and we're gonna be making, are y'all ready? Homemade ice cream, cheeseburgers, and s'mores. The reason for the s'mores and the ice cream is we're making like a tropical paradise ice cream. Just made that up too. We're making up lots of names today. It's gonna have pineapple, strawberries, bananas, and cream of coconut in it, and not everybody likes those flavors of ice cream. Plus, Jacob doesn't even like homemade ice cream anyway. Can y'all believe that? The boy has never liked homemade ice cream, but he doesn't. Not even chocolate. He does like s'mores though, so we're doing s'mores and ice cream for those who don't want the tropical paradise. Titus is in charge of cheeseburgers, and he's gonna be making
Gouda blue cheese cheeseburgers.
One cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
He's putting that on
singular. Because I'm not sure I want to go plural with this. Right.
The rest of us are sticking with Gouda because we know it's good.
Some of you could be wondering about this silverware that I bought for $13.
Tell them about it. Go ahead.
I seen it right there and I was like, what?
Look at it, y'all.
Don't tell me. I'll buy that in a minute for $13.
How many pieces? 120 pieces.
I seen that spoon right there. Look at that spoon. I was like, can you imagine me eating some cereal with that thing?
Yeah. He loves those kind of spoons, y'all.
That's a spoon right there. You can even adjust your cowboy hat and be like, well, in the back there you can kind of see yourself.
But tell them what we discovered.
Well, when we got home, I knew when I grabbed it because we was talking at the same time we was discussing lemonade.
Yeah.
And I was like, what? So I just grabbed them, and when I picked them up, I was like, well, I was lightweight. And I put it in the buggy. Well, I didn't read it.
It was with the real stuff, though, y'all.
It was with the real stuff.
Yeah, real glasses.
With the real deal.
Real everything.
If you want to sell 120 piece, 60 forks, 30 spoons, and 30 knives quickly, put it with the real deal over there and get people talking about lemonade, and they'll buy that thinking they're getting a bargain and get home and discover that
they're plastic.
We're going to use them tonight for ice cream.
Cece's filling up the ketchup and mustard bottles over here. She loves mustard. She loves it. She really does, y'all. April Fools. It's also April Fool's Day, so there's been a lot of April Fooling going on around here. Before I get the patties ready, we're gonna start this lemonade. We just need lemons, of course. And they had some big juicers in Ingles, and y'all, I picked that thing up, and then I was like, well, I'll just juice it in my little one and then pour it into the thing. Okay, Cece's already starting the lemons. We've got mint leaf, and then we just need water and a little bit of sugar. And that's gonna be it for this lemonade. We're only making this is about close to half a gallon, this container that we're gonna be putting it in. We did get this from Ingles because look at how pretty it is. It's pretty.
That's actually what threw me off when we were talking about
the cutlery. All right, I got the hamburger ready. We're just having chips with those. We still have some of the pineapple casserole and corn pudding left over from last night, if anybody wants some of that. We've got the lemonade done, so now we're gonna go ahead and mix up the ice cream in the ice cream maker thingamajig. That way, when it's time to make the ice cream, we just sit it down in there, put the ice and rock salt around it, and let it go. Do you remember how to make ice cream, Manny?
Yeah.
How do we stir it?
Stir it with both spoons.
Stir it with spoons. Do we stir it fast?
Yeah.
Fast? He's changed. You've changed, Al. Slowly. Yeah. Okay, Cece's putting in the first thing, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm putting a little bit of milk in there so I can start stirring this up. All right, we're putting in about 1/4 cup of cream of coconut. While Cece's stirring that, I'm gonna get the strawberries ready real quick. Hey, Manny, can you bring us a banana?
Sure.
All right, let's see, Cece, we need a little bowl. We'll leave the tops for these strawberries for the chickens. We're gonna put about 1 cup of strawberries.
I got the piece of banana. banana.
You got the banana? All right. What happened to the other part of it?
Top walked it off.
Did he eat it?
Nope. That's for you. That's
Okay.
a little piece.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, Sissy's putting in the strawberries and the bananas. I'm gonna get the vanilla real quick. 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Yeah.
Now we need the pineapple plus some pineapple juice. Go ahead and pour that in, Sissy, and then I'll pour in the juice. This is from the pineapple that we cut the other day. It's what was left from it. All right, now we're gonna pour milk all the way to the max fill line, and then we'll taste it. Ooh, we'll taste it and see if we need to add anything else, any more sugar, or if I can get a little bit more liquid out of that cream of coconut, we'll do that, but maybe we'll be good. We won't have to add anything. Let's see what we got here.
It's really good.
All right, it's ready. So I'll just put this down in here, put the top on, and then when we get ready to turn it, it's ready to go.
All right, everybody, we're fixing to see how this blue cheese is, which I've never been a real big fan, but with all this other stuff going on. Take a look at that right there. That's a good looking cheeseburger.
Yeah.
What we calling it? Gouda blue cheese cheeseburgers.
Yeah.
If you say that, it makes you smile. Mm-hmm. Gouda cheeseburger Gouda cheese, what did I say? Gouda cheese. Okay.
Gouda blue cheese.
Gouda blue cheese cheeseburgers. See, that's something you can say in a picture. When you bite this bad boy, I don't know if you'll have that same look. We'll see. Take the blue cheese off.
Gouda cheeseburger.
That's gonna give me a blue Christmas. That's sinful. Oh my goodness.
He was liking it until he got to that blue cheese. Will this be your last time? This
Never.
is the last time. Okay.
Never again. Never. I had this little thought going through the grocery store. Next time I know that's the bad angel talking to me. Let me get this off. Come right on in here and get you a glass of lemonade, everybody. Nothing like it. Pour it to the very top.
Oh, yeah.
Lord have mercy. I'm sorry, y'all. That's not the shot we was going for. Woo, that's good.
That's the kind it tastes like at the fair, the fresh squeezed lemonade. You got the bucket?
Yeah. And I found the spot for it.
Found the spot? All right, you remembered the spot.